Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker. And today I want to talk about my favorite listing of the week. So I mentioned this one earlier. I think I talked about it on Wednesday. This is the listing in Indian Rocks Beach. It was a 5-bed, 5-bath, 3,846 square foot, listed with the Ambrosio Group. The listing agent himself was actually Frank Ambrosio. And this was the one that was going for $3,499,000. My favorite feature about this house, honestly, isn't just the fact that it's the location. I love being on Indian Rocks Beach. It's actually my wife's favorite beach here in the St. Pete area. But specifically, I love the fact that it had a pool and a dock. There's literally an opportunity for you to fish from your pool. It is amazing. Like, you could be in your pool and you cast a line. But you also have a boat deck where you can actually have access to the Gulf of Mexico. One of the things I focus on the homes that I try to sell for my clients is access to the beach. On the Gulf Boulevard area of here in Pinellas County, many beaches are available, but sometimes you have to walk several blocks up or down to get beach access. So homes that are on the water or with water access, it's a gem. It's not a hard thing to find, but it's a thing that once you have, you see the value in it. So that's one of the things that made this listing, the one on Indian Rocks Beach. It's at 421 20th Avenue. Once again, it's listed by the Ambrosio Group. If you'd like me to represent you in the transaction or have some conversations about this property, I'd love to connect you with the agent selling it. Once again, this is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker. Give me a call, 727-303-1521, and all my social media is CD Selling St. Pete. Have a great day.